Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will review this F7 foldable solar power bank with flashlight. So before I will discuss this item, kindly hit or click the subscribe button and the thumbs up logo and the notification bell so that you get notified over my next video. Okay, so this is the box of the F7 foldable solar power bank with flashlight, which I bought in Lazada the other day for only 999 pesos. So let's check now. We will open the box. Okay, so this is the F7 foldable solar power bank. So it's quite heavy, like a smartphone, and it has a leather case here. So let's check this one. So this F7 solar power bank has a capacity of 10,000 milliampere hour. Then it has colors of orange and black. It has 3 panels of solar, so 1, 2, 3. And then this power bank has a LED bright light that can be used as flashlight or camping light at night. Pilot indicators show the status of the battery charger timely. And this is energy saving, environmentally friendly solar energy. So here is at the back is a flashlight. It has a lid made of LED bright light. So let's only turn on the power here, and then the light comes. Look, it's very bright. Then to turn it off, you just press again the power. That's it. Then this power bank is a high quality and durable material. It has a style design and convenient to take. Charging time for a built-in battery of solar charger is several hours. Support power supply and charge for mobile phone, PSP, MP3, MP4. So this solar power bank has a port here. So he has for the charging, if you want to get the charge for a manual charging, he has a slot here. And to charge your gadget, it has 2 ports to charge our gadgets or accessories. So it has 2 ports here. Then this one is a USB type slot. So I think that's all I can say of the F7 solar power bank with flashlight. So I decided to review this accessory or gadget because this is the first time I have this one. Usually I have a regular chargeable power bank. So I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.